Okay, good day. Now we will have a look at the ulna and radius bone. Okay, ulna bone, it is the medial bone. So let's concentrate on the ulna first. Okay, you can see that the ulna bone proximal end is larger than the distal end. So let's have a look at the proximal end first. At the proximal end, there are two bony projections. Firstly, a bony projection that is located posterior and superiorly. This is the olecranon. So let's have a look at the posterior surface. So this is olecranon. It forms the point of your shoulder. Point of your elbow. Okay, let's have a look at the anterior surface again. So this is olecranon. Anterior and inferior to the olecranon, there's a trochlear notch here, bony depression here, trochlear notch. And distal to the trochlear notch here, a bony projection projecting anteriorly, coronoid process. Inferior to the coronoid process, slight bony prominence, ulna tuberosity. Laterally on the lateral surface, lateral to the ulna tuberosity, you can see there's a concave surface, and this is the radial notch that articulates with the head of the radius. And inferior to that, there's a bony ridge, the supinator crest. Let's go to the anterior surface again. Okay, inferior to this is ulnar tuberosity just now. Inferior to the ulnar tuberosity, you'll see the shaft of the ulnar bone. You can see that the shaft of the ulnar bone decreases in diameter. Okay, decreases in diameter as you go down the shaft of ulna. And the lateral side here, it has a sharp interosseous border. Now let's have a look at the distal end of ulnar bone. Here you can see small rounded head of ulnar bone. Small rounded head of ulna, and medially here, small bony projection projecting inferiorly. That's the ulnar styloid process. Okay, that's all for ulnar bone. Thank you.